Y'all, I'm at Polo Body Repair. I got my trap juice and I got my crazy pickles, y'all. In a little bit, I'm going to try them, but right now I'm getting my car detailed. So, y'all, I can't wait no longer, and I just noticed my hair green, the pickles, and the pineapple's green. But, y'all, I got the green apple, which is my favorite. I love the green apple. Y'all, I got my trap juice, strawberry lemonade, and I got my watermelon. But y'all already know I'm about to try these pickles first because I love my pickles and my pineapples. You already know I'm about to go in and I'm gonna be good at this time. I ain't got no fork. And yes, I'm about to eat this whole pineapple. Can't say that good. And y'all, I can't even speak. That's how good it is. Alright, now for my green apple pickles. Mm. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got the booty part. Green apple. But I don't get it. Stop sneezing. The crazy pickle. Okay. Y'all know I gotta wash it down with some trap juice. This is the watermelon. Y'all, this tastes just like a watermelon. Ooh, this juice be busting. And the strawberry lemonade. Hold on, y'all. This stuff's so juicy. Ooh, making a mess. 15 out of 10, y'all. Y'all sleeping. Trap juice, crazy pickle. I'll be tagging them below. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. And we're going back to the Polo Body Repair. We're going to let him talk after this, too. Let me get back to get my car detailed.
Man, what's up, man? Y'all had got us up for that problem, man. She charging 200. Y'all tap in, man. So right now we have Pollo Body Repair. Got her insides cleaned up. Y'all take a look. So yeah, you know, speck of dust, man. We do clean work. For the food details, we charge 225 inside and out. You know what I'm saying? Wheel wells, undercarriage, engine bay, everything, man. So if you trying to just get something clean, just something quick, it's $100, man. Basic wise. Y'all tap in.